What can a tiny spider teach a powerful king? Can repeated failures actually lead to success? Stay with me till the end because this poem contains a lesson that can change your life forever. Namaste, friends. Welcome to my voice life skills. Today we are going to learn Try Again, a beautiful poem from class 7 English, unit 1, chapter 2. In this poem, a king who has lost hope learns a valuable lesson from a small spider. Let's find out what happened. Stanza 1. King Bruce of Scotland flung himself down in a lonely mood to think. 'Tis true, he was monarch and wore a crown, but his heart was beginning to sink. It means King Bruce was sitting alone and thinking. Although he was a king, he felt sad and discouraged. राजा ब्रूस अकेले बैठे सोच रहे थे। वे राजा थे, लेकिन वे दुखी और निराश महसूस कर रहे थे। Why was King Bruce sad? Because he was unable to succeed in his work. Right? Now come to stanza 2. For he had been trying to do a great deed to make his people glad. He had tried and tried, but couldn't succeed, and so he became quite sad. It means the king wanted to do something great for his people. He tried many times but failed again and again. राजा अपने लोगों के लिए कुछ महान करना चाहते थे। उन्होंने कई बार प्रयास किया, लेकिन हर बार असफल रहे। Did the king stop after one failure? No, he tried many times. Now stanza 3. He flung himself down in low despair, as grieved as man could be, and after a while he pondered there. I will give it all up, said he. It means the king became hopeless and decided to give up. राजा पूरी तरह निराश हो गए और उन्होंने हार मानने का निर्णय लिया. What did the king decide? He decided to give up. But wait, will the king really give up? Or is something about to change his life? Let's see. Now stanza 4 and 5. Now, just at that moment, a spider dropped with its silken, filmy clue, and the king, in the midst of his thinking, stopped to see what the spider would do. 'Twas a long way up to the ceiling dome, and it hung by a rope so fine that how it would get to its cobweb home, King Bruce could not divine. It means at that moment a spider appeared. The king watched it carefully and wondered how it would reach its web high above. उसी समय एक मकड़ी दिखाई दी। राजा उसे ध्यान से देखने लगे और सोचने लगे कि वह अपने जाले तक कैसे पहुंचेगी। What attracted the king's attention? A spider hanging from a silk thread. Now stanza 6 and 7. It soon began to cling and crawl straight up with strong endeavor, but down it came with a slippery sprawl, as near to the ground as ever. Up, up it ran, not a second to stay, to utter the least complaint, till it fell still lower, and there it lay, a little dizzy and faint. It means the spider started climbing but slipped and fell. It tried again and fell once more. मकड़ी ऊपर चढ़ने लगी लेकिन फिसल कर गिर गई। उसने फिर प्रयास किया और फिर गिर गई। Did the spider complain? No. It continued trying. Now stanza 8 and 9. Its head grew steady. Again it went and travelled a half yard higher. 'Twas a delicate thread it had to tread, and a road where its feet would tire. Again it fell and swung below, but again it quickly mounted, till up and down, now fast, now slow, 9 brave attempts were counted. It means the spider kept trying. It climbed, fell, and climbed again. It had 9 brave attempts. It made 9 brave attempts. मकड़ी बार बार प्रयास करती रही। वह चढ़ती, गिरती और फिर चढ़ती। उसने 9 साहसी प्रयास किए। How many attempts did the spider make? 9 brave attempts. Friends, imagine this. If you were the spider, would you continue after failing 9 times? Comment yes or no below. Okay? Now stanza 10 and 11. Sure, cried the king, that foolish thing will strive no more to climb, when it toils so hard to reach and cling, and tumbles every time. But the insect went once more. Ah, me! 'Tis an anxious minute. He's only a foot from his cobweb door. Oh, say, will he lose or win it? It means the king thought the spider would stop trying, but the spider made another attempt and came very close to success. राजा को लगा कि अब मकड़ी प्रयास छोड़ देगी, लेकिन मकड़ी ने एक और प्रयास किया और सफलता के बहुत करीब पहुंच गई। What did the king think? He thought the spider would stop trying. Now stanza 12. Steadily, steadily, inch by inch, higher and higher he got, and a bold little run at the very last pinch put him into his native cot. It means slowly and carefully the spider climbed higher and finally reached its web. धीरे धीरे और सावधानी से मकड़ी ऊपर चढ़ती गई और अंत में अपने जाले तक पहुंच गई. Did the spider succeed? Yes, it finally reached its web. Now stanza 13. Bravo! Bravo! The king cried out. All honor to those who try. The spider up there defied despair. He conquered. And why shouldn't I? The king praised the spider and realized that he should not give up either. राजा ने मकड़ी की प्रशंसा की और समझ गए कि उन्हें भी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. What lesson did the king learn? Never give up and keep trying. Okay? Now stanza 14. And Bruce of Scotland braced his mind and gossips tell the tale. Then that he tried once more as he tried before, and that time did not fail. It means the king became determined again. He tried once more and succeeded. राजा ने फिर से साहस जुटाया. उन्होंने दोबारा प्रयास किया और इस बार सफल हो गए. What happened when the king tried again? He succeeded. So the moral of the poem is never give up after failure. Success comes to those who keep trying. असफलता के बाद हार मत मानो. जो लोग लगातार प्रयास करते हैं सफलता उन्हीं को मिलती है. Friends, remember, a spider changed a king's life. Maybe today's failure is preparing you for tomorrow's success. If you enjoyed this explanation, please like, share and subscribe to my voice life skills. Okay? See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing and always try again. Thank you. Namaste. Bye bye.